more sense to
No! Oh my lord.
horizontal, not vertical. Anyone?
Yeah.
Hey, bad touch! Ooh!
Hello, Akbar!
Go on, Sean.
He's got it. What?
Uh-oh.
Come on, woman! Oh, he hasn't. Run away! Can't run. Can't run. Run. Grab the,
That's it. I had to quickly use that as a safety thing.
Wouldn't you just go,
Uh-oh. Whoa.
That's half your health gone in 2 explosions.
Too many explosions, man.
Michael Bay would approve of that.
Michael Bay, hello? Oh, yes, you... Uh-oh. If you can rescue that little shit, I'll be amazed, man.
So many explosions.
I don't care. He's gonna die no matter what. That's almost...
Blue barrel. Yeah, no bullets.
what the hell, I'll just strike it. Okay, so water stuns them. Yeah, that makes sense. What's it made of? Holy water?
Oh, God.
I swear she enjoyed that.
Whoa, whoa. The final battle. This is heavy.
How does he know it's the final battle?
No, it's the final showdown out of the main...
Final showdown with she. I say get let's hit the show on the road. You know,
Oh, look at that, 32 of them.
You know you gotta get the Nick ticket. There's a Nick ticket in the room, Chaz. You just know you gotta use that. Nick, hoy! And all the bullets. Bullet.
And the lollipop.
Lolly, lolly, lolly. Oh, lolly, 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 lolly. Kill Brett! It's that wrestler! Bret Hart, I think his name was. Which was the idiot that killed himself getting into the cage? We didn't
Well,
kill
that's
himself.
Onark.
Is it normal to have an erection if you die if you get bitten by a Brazilian wandering spider? Yes.
Yeah,
The bump down spider.
You see it change into a Viagra pill with thing.
Well, they're a bunch of bona fide idiots. That's a bad
This
pun, I
guy.
know.
Yeah, this
There is
guy.
bad pun and then there was that shit. That was diabolical. There's a Nick tick for it.
Whirligig!
And we only got 1 kill out of it. Don't worry, let them all get back up and go again. Hey, 4 bottles of Vex, do it. That was only 3. Only 3! You having a laugh, me?
Evening, lunatic.
You're a dark.
Nick's life is a constant bummer.
Whether or not that's a bad joke or not, it's just... Trip kill!
Oh, the head fall off.
But look on the bright side, Nick, you got positive attraction.
Coming out of the middle today, aren't we?
I see it. Hold on to something.
I don't care.
Fucking fuck!
Oh god, it's one of those things.
Well, what if you got a Danny Elfman here? With the breakfast machine on the breakfast table.
Why didn't he just blow it up?
Well, that's it. I'll make sure you're protected from anything that gets in your way.
Elvis,
Oh god.
would you let your daughter go on dressed like that?
They're a dysfunctional family, so...
But you're obviously the guy she picked for herself. She's always been a hell of a lot smarter than me. Thanks.
How the hell can he turn his head when he ain't got no neck?
He just rolls his nose. Rolls his eyes. What's wrong?
Point!
He hasn't got enough for the attack though. That makes Shannon sad.
I think I had a lot more score this time around than last year.
You need 300 more coins. For the attack you want.
The Holy Chainsaw.
300 more for that.
Different funny outfits.
So, the outfits, is it?
You might be able to buy one, but I doubt it.
No.
No, cheap for 25.
That's a nice outfit.
Yeah, but... Is that the one I think it is from Am I a Zombie? Please tell me it is.
That's the Mistletoe Kick one.
Yes! Oh, that'd be funny. Mistletoe Kick! That's not a kick, you cross-dressing pervert.
Well, basically at the end I'll pretty much show you the... well,
Just a bullet shape.
but I
just
need
saying.
bullets though.
Yeah, but they have to be suggestively shaped.
I think you got everything.
Don't
from
you
there,
get bullets
Shan.
in the fight anyway?
I think, yeah, let's just get on with it. Yay!
You didn't go in from that angle though. Game, you lie. She doesn't look like that either.
It's just a preloaded picture.
Yeah, they should have at least made it so it's, you know, references the outfit you got on.
Too much work for him.
It would have been fun, yeah.
I know it would make sense, but in order to like keep animating those said costumes, it would probably like take a lot more time. So they just thought, just do a basic one here.
To be fair, that was quite basic, but I think it's just the model going up now.
Wow.
This is incredible. Juliet, you actually made it.
Hello, master.
Shit's kicking off, pulling chat, I thought, oh, something's happening. I can't see it.
Yeah,
Oh,
they
dear.
want to play you. Motorbike.
I freaking hate the motorbike.
It's the Ghost Rider.
No, where's Nick Cage?
Oh, shots fired.
And there's about to be none. Bring it on, douchebag. I'm gonna F you.
Just come out and say the word.
I think they did that for comic effects.
I know, but still. Oh wait, Tara Strong rarely. I don't even think she ever swears on her stuff. Nosferatu.
That's not a real guitar brand.
Your screams of agony.
There was one line from that that was actually true. Get back, Grim.
Yeah, thank you.
You ready? You ready? Nick Popper. Nick Popper.
The lock-on system's a bit shit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Last time I had like ammo to take them down with.
You can't beat them without ammo, right?
I know, but I'm basically getting up the
I
invincibility
know,
meter.
yeah.
Or should let him kill them for you? Oh, that's expensive. Hey! Quick, get him. You've got a hit on him.
Didn't we say around 6?
Half 5. Then you go to the shop and get a 4. Fucking terrible. No one can watch them. There's 8. There you go. Quick, get him.
I'm not 4 3 X for her.
Supposed to get bits of cold likewise, so wrap it warm when you're out and about the day.
You're weakened him.
It's a good thing that I got a better coat.
White. Press Y. 8. There you go. You got to the fight. The wife's that is. Kick his arse!
That quick recap though.
He's legless.
He's taking the hobbits to Wazen's eye.
No, he's quick scoping everyone.
You should become